Okay, we're going to be dividing these complex numbers. The important part with complex numbers is that we cannot have the imaginary number, the complex number, on the denominator at all. Okay, so we're going to have to multiply this one so that we don't have that I on the bottom. We need to get rid of that portion. So we need to kind of think about this one, what we can multiply this bottom portion by in order to get rid of this I. An important piece is to always remember that I squared is equal to -1. Okay, that's the square root of -1 times the square root of -1, which is -1. So if we can multiply this one by an I, that would give me my I squared. Then it would eliminate the complex portion on the denominator. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I don't need to multiply it by the 8 or anything. That's not going to change what I need to do on it. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply, and when you multiply, you have to multiply top and bottom by just a plain old I. Okay? Alright, so that's going to give me -7I all over -8I squared. And we talked about this really briefly here, but I squared is equal to -1. So now I've got to plug in -1 in place of I squared. So let's rewrite that. So that's -7I all over -8 times -1. Well, we can simplify that. So we've got -7I all over -8 times -1 would be 8. So my answer on this one is -7I over 8.